Happy Easter, everyone. I hope everyone's having a good day. Today, we're going to make homemade donuts at home. Let's get into it. First step, you need 1 cup of warm milk. Yes, warm milk. 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 stick of whole butter. The whole stick, that's it. And 2 eggs. And if you feel a little bit nice, try to crack it with one hand like that. And then 1 pack of active dry yeast. And then we're going to start forming our dough together. And then it's going to start looking like that. And don't forget to add a little bit of salt and sugar. Don't add as much sugar as I did. Probably use like less than half of what I used because it starts to burn a little bit quicker. Flour your surface and then get your dough on there. It might look a little bit sticky, but just start kneading it until you get tired. And then it's gonna just wash off your hand after, and then you're gonna notice it just starts to form nice and soft like that because it's gonna be more fluffier. Then we're gonna let it rest for like an hour or so until it doubles in size, and then we're gonna get back to it. So after an hour has passed, we're going to punch that dough aggressively and then cut off a section of it to make our first donut. We're going to just start making it into a little circles or like circular shape because we're going to do this freestyle. No cookie cutters, none of that. We're going to use whatever we find at the house. I found a little shot glass and I just made a little hole in the middle. And it was a little bit too big, so I just used my finger and then just poke a hole in the middle. And it looked nice, for freestyle. And we're going to make some jelly ones. So the jelly ones, no holes in the middle. So we're just going to leave it like that. And then boom. Now we're going to do our icing, get some powdered sugar and a little bit of milk. Just a little bit, because the thicker the better. Now we're going to stir that up, and now we're going to add a donut in the fryer to fry for at least 5 minutes. And then I also decided to make some munchkin size ones, some smaller ones. And since it's Easter, I'm going to just do the same icing method. Just add food coloring to give it that Easter theme color. So I fried my little munchkin balls. And for the jelly ones, this is the hard part. Just find any small object you use and just get a stick or whatever, just shove it in there. And I just check back in the rest of my donut. Get a plastic bag and just put your jam in there, whatever jam, strawberry jelly, and just fill it in with your strawberry jam. And then yeah, it's gonna look like that. And then that's your jelly donut. And then you're gonna dip your donut in the icing and then sprinkle it with some sprinkles. Boom, this is my finishing product. Look how soft and fluffy my donut was. Like, it tastes just like any donut I'd buy at the store, even better. It was fresh too, that's what made it even better. And I did pink, yellow, and green for the Easter theme, and I just put powdered sugar on the top of the jelly. They're always busting. Alright y'all, peace, happy Easter everyone.